Oh, too much. Alright, we both slept like a couple of turds last night.
Yeah.
Didn't sleep at all.
I got like 2 hours.
Mine got 45 minutes.
Oh no, it's peaceful.
Yeah, it was quiet and it was nice. A couple of bear hunters riding by here early in the morning. Other than that, there was no traffic. Brewing us up some coffee. Normally we drink really good coffee, but I forgot the coffee yesterday, so I got this. Yeah, I guess it'll work. But we're gonna sit here and watch the sunrise, and I'll see y'all in a little while. Everything's just up on your end.
Yeah.
Put, like.
I need my thing off, don't I?
Oh, sure. Probably not, but makes you feel better. Sun's up finally. Way up. Oh, good start. Snowing out right up here. Yeah. Alright, we're rolling out here on day 2 of our little camping trip. We've done nothing but change plans this whole trip.
That's us though.
Yeah. But we're not in Patterson Street now. Neither one of us slept at all last night. So we're just gonna roll out here, we're gonna go up, we're gonna go across Broad Run on the way out. Oh my gosh, it's completely dried up now. This is the big waterfall I splashed through.
What?
Oh my gosh.
Jesus. We just came, what, last weekend?
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's
It ain't rained any. I mean, there's gonna be no water crossings now.
Yeah, look at this, babe. It's so low. Cause look, that's like nothing. It rained Sunday, remember though? Enough to just wet the grass.
Yeah, that's it. Isn't this way better on this bike versus the Grom?
Yeah.
Stand up.
Stop.
What's that? Oh, they got screws in it. I'll stand up now. This is when you should be sitting. I heard that.
Yeah.
That was loud.
Very. Oh,
Good.
I hit water.
Yeah. There's somebody still up milk going.
Oh, water.
I was hoping to wash our bikes off coming through this.
We ain't get nothing but dust, babe.
I know. A little bit of water to make them muddy.
Oh, what do I do here? Oh, I see.
Oh, kind of good. We're coming up on the rough one right now. Maybe we're gonna go down to it.
Oh my.
I better just ride around through this time. Might not even be that bad. Just look at rocks. However you want to go. To the side again?
Yeah.
That's it. Alright, I'll let you go, then I'll go. Very easy. Good job.
Dang! I did it! Didn't even stall out.
Hey.
Woo!
Good job.
Thanks, Dave. Oh, that was fun. I did it. Didn't even stall out. Oh.
Oh, slow down. Get it first, okay? Let's get it first.
I am.
What'd you stop for?
Well, I don't know. Where do I do?
Just go straight. You're on a motorcycle.
Over that big rock?
Go to the roughest part of it, just so you do it.
Straight ahead.
Yeah, just go straight through over that rock, and then go over the one in front of it. Just do the two hardest ones. Go, go. Look at that.
Oh!
How hard was that?
Hard.
Holy shit, I'm freaking Harley.
Holy. You go. I think we're getting one of these in a while. What the hell? That was you. Not too long ago. I mean, he knows what he's getting into if he saw this.
Yeah, you're right.
He lives on the train.
That's the same. It's probably more likely to say. You want to go? Blast through. Wow. Woo!
Oh, oh, oh.
Oh. Alright. Well, we just finished Broad Run. Megan just blasted through it like it wasn't nothing. What'd you think about it?
I didn't even stall out.
No, not even one.
This is still my favorite.
Yeah, I mentioned she held over 20 miles an hour the whole way down it.
Yeah, even on the KTM. The Grom I did, and this I did.
Yeah, this is just a fun little road. It's definitely one of the best roads in the area, probably.
Yeah, it's challenging.
Still,
but
no other dual sports out here. I don't know what's going on.
We saw
passed
Harley.
a Harley.
Jacob's like, should we turn around and tell him?
He didn't cross a couple of creeks already. I figured he
Yeah.
probably knew where he was going.
It's so dry today.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Yeah, the water's down bad, but all right. Well, that's gonna conclude this weekend's adventures. I guess we'll see y'all in the next one.
Peace out.